What's good, YouTube? What's good, people? What's good, my fellow millionaire and billionaire traders? What's good to my millionaire and billionaire entrepreneurs? And what's good to my millionaire and billionaire stock market traders and investors? This is your boy Harlem, and we're back with another banger and another video and another educational Forex content video that we are uploading for you guys. So this is your boy Harlem, I repeat, people, and we're back again with the video that will benefit you guys not only for today or this year, but for the coming quarter, the coming years, and the coming decades and centuries, right? So guys, today, not to say any much and not to say too much things and to make you guys annoyed or agitated, but today we're gonna be focusing on Tesla, guys. Today I want to share my second quarter insight or review, and today we're gonna be working on Tesla Inc. or Tesla stocks, right? You guys know what Tesla is. You guys know the company Tesla. You guys know the background story. You guys know the background information. If you don't know about Tesla, comment down below that you don't know anything about Tesla, and let King Harlem break everything down for you. So today we're working on our Q2. We're going to be looking at what might possibly happen or what we might be possibly looking to put our money to work on. You guys get that? But before I get any further with the video, make sure you smash that like button. Make sure you boom that subscribe button. Make sure you click on the video to comment. Make sure you comment on the video. Make sure you share the video, and make sure that you click the link to sign up with the broker that I use, Quick Trade, the broker that I use to trade stocks. Quick Trade, that's the only broker, right? And if you're looking for a legitimate Forex trading course, you guys know what COT Academy has came up with. We're having 3 services for 2024, right? We're having that one-on-one, we're having that virtual session, and we're having that 3-day one-on-one session. So you can choose which do you prefer and which one COT Academy to assist you with, and make sure that you are well prepared and that you are ready to learn all that you have to learn and go through all that you have to go through, so you can win independently without relying on me, on YouTube, or the next trader out there, right? But without further ado, guys, let me not say much and let me break down what we might be looking for Q2 on Tesla stocks, right? So okay, I can remove this array for now because we marked out the lowest point and this one, right? So guys, Tesla stocks, you guys know that we have this all-time high resistance and we have this all-time high major support zone, right? So just to clear things up with you guys, you remember that our first quarter we were still trading right here. We did indicate that from what we're looking at and where price is currently trading on, we are simply on our major support zone. And once price is sitting or trading above, once price is trading above that major all-time high support zone, there are signs that obviously if price doesn't violate or trade below that support zone, then we might be looking forward for that move to the upside. But in this instance, or let me just say, unfortunately price did what? Unfortunately, price did push to the upside for like 1, 2, 3, 4, for like 5 weeks, right? So for the past 5 weeks from the video that we uploaded, the Q1 inside on Tesla, price moved to the upside for that 5 weeks. But unfortunately, the bears were still holding word, were still holding the charts or in control, were still staying in control of the charts. And what happened? Price eventually broke below our major support zone. And what we might be looking for moving further to Q2, guys, will be pretty much simple. If price stays below this major all-time high support, then there are still signs that we might be looking forward for that move to the downside. Because when you look at history, our history on Tesla, price did trade below this support, right? And price did move below, and price was still bearish below the support. So if we're staying above, so if we stay below the support again, then I guess we might do what history always does and sells below that support. Do you guys get that? But if it happens that price trades above, then I guess we have to look for that move to the upside based on price holding that major support zone and price trading above that major support zone, and we might be looking for that continuation to the upside. Do you guys get that? Let me repeat this before I switch to the daily time frame, right? we looked at our history and saw that okay, price did trade below that support not once, right? And now currently looking at our current market price is still trading below, price is still holding below that all-time high support. If it happens that price doesn't violate above or doesn't trade above the support, then we might look forward for signs of what? Of continuing to the downside, or price being bearish, or looking for short positions on our Tesla stocks. But if it happens that price stays above that major all-time high support, that all-time high support, then I guess we have to do what? We have to stay above and look for signs of being bullish or taking long positions on our Tesla stocks. Because if I had to break down, I'd be only confusing you guys and making you guys not understand too many things, right? One, it's simple the way it has to be. We're having that major support, right? Prices below that support. Long as price is staying below support, we still are looking for signs of being bearish. But if price trades above, or if price violates above that major all-time high support, then I guess we'd have to do what? Look for signs of being bullish. Do you guys get that? There's nothing else that I can even talk about, and there's nothing else that I can even break down from what I'm sharing with you guys. But without further ado, let's slide to our second time frame, which is the daily time frame, before we end the video. So our daily time frame, so on our daily time frame, guys, price was still somewhere in here, right? Price was still holding this very same zone here. And when you see that, okay, price did what? Price did hold the support, right? Price did hold the support, pushing to the upside. But unfortunately, the bears were still in charge of the charts, and they led price into moving to the downside. Do you guys get that? Looking at our current price printed out this low, right? The lowest point of 2024. This is our lowest point in 2024, which is 135, or which is 139 or 140, 139, 140-ish zone, right? That's our lowest point in 2024, and this is to be like a point where price is printed out before it led in price creating this low. So when you now see that, okay, this very same high led price in creating this all-time high low, and looking at where price is currently is, so from price pushing to the upside and price breaking again to the and breaking out of our support zone again, now that I understand that price hit this high and price pushed to the downside, created this low, and price did what? Pushed to the upside, creating this intraday high, and then pushed to the downside, creating this intraday low. If it happens that price stays really above, stays really below this very same zone, we can look forward for that move to the downside. Based on what? Based on price breaking above, breaking out below, staying below, and continuing below. Do you guys get that? Or if price stays above, then I guess we'll still wait for what? For that retest above and signs of price being bearish, of price having that bear depletion and that bullish momentum, and look forward for that execution or that move to the upside. But if I had to give you guys a gem, or if I had to break down a secret that I've seen when I was analyzing and looking at what Q2 might be looking at, or what might look at, I can tell that price is having a beautiful possible head and shoulders pattern that we currently are creating. So before this head and shoulders pattern becomes finalized or becomes a strongly confirmed pattern, then I guess from where price is currently trading at on this low, if price breaks above our very same support and trades above this very same support, then I guess our right shoulder might be fully formed and look forward for that move to the upside. But only we're going to put our money to work once price violates this what? Violates this low. Only if price violates this low that led price into creating this low. Only if price violates this high that led price into printing out this low, then I guess our right shoulder formation might be forming, and we might be having a simplified head and shoulders, and we might be looking for a stronger move to the upside. But for now, we're not basing it on this pattern. We're simply basing it on what? On our support. We're gonna be using our support for now. Are we gonna stay above to continue going to the upside, or are we gonna stay below to just simply reverse and move to the downside? That's what Q2 might be putting us, or that's what Q2 might do to us, or that's what Q2 might be letting us traders understand, that we might be looking for two takes, or we might be waiting for two confirmations. If we stay above the support, we're simply going to continue moving to the upside, or if we stay below the support, then I guess we can still reverse and move to the downside. Do you guys get that? said, there wouldn't be anything that I can break down or anything that I can simply talk about, but it's the way it has to be. If we are above, we be bullish. If we below, we be bearish. With the head and shoulders pattern where price might be possibly forming, if the right shoulder formation is fully formed, then I guess once price violates our high or that neckline, then we might simply have a confirmed possible head and shoulders or that confirmed move to the upside and put our money to work and anticipate those long positions and just make profit and enjoy our lives and stay out the lane. But without further ado, guys, I hope you liked the video. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope that once this gems becomes valid and applicable to you guys, all I ask is that you like on the videos, you subscribe to my channel, you turn on the notification bell, you share the videos, you comment on the videos, you found most importantly, click that link right there to sign up with the broker that I use. Or if you're looking to watch my day in the life vlogs, I still left my link right there. Or if you are looking for a legitimate forex trading course, you guys know what COT Academy we guys came up with. We're having that one-on-one session, we're having that 3-day one-on-one session, and we're having that virtual session. 3 services in total. You can choose which is beneficial for you, and that's COT Academy. Do the rest from there. But without further ado, I appreciate the love, I appreciate the support, I appreciate the unity, the consistency, the discipline, and most importantly, the growth that you guys are giving to my channel. But without further ado, enough has been said and enough has been spoken and enough has been shared with you guys. I guess the video will end there. But without further ado, this your boy Harlan, this your boy Harlan, this your boy Harlan. That's all I got on this video.